Hello everybody, today I'm at the place opposite Anchor Point, which is Ikea. At Queensway is a very nice shopping area with its own restaurants, Swedish restaurant and lots of home stuff. And this place also quite near the Queensway Shopping Centre, which I went. So if you come here, right, you can actually explore three places: Queensway Shopping Centre, Anchor Point and Ikea. So let's go. Wow, first impression, cold. Singapore malls are always cold, right? This is second level. Wow, very nice. I wonder what's a restaurant. It should be inside, turn left. I saw it already. Shortcut to Swedish restaurant and Market Mall. So it's this way. And a nice trolley. In Jurong East, there's also an Ikea at the Gem site at the Gems Mall. It's a nice toy. The thing about Ikea is you never know what is to expect and to see at the next corner. We have reached the Swedish restaurant. They have a very interesting, the hot dog for $1. I'm gonna go find it now. Normally they have a cashier and counter O-ring. At Gems I saw it. I don't see it yet. Oh, it's in front. Let's see if at the $1. Oh, that's quite a nice food. Hot dog. You don't see it, man. Look at the miniature chair here. Wow. Been a long time since I shop in Ikea, man. They sell pillows. Child stuff, children's stuff. Children's Ikea. Wow, man. Very beautiful. The price $149. Okay not bad. Big curtain. Oh, and lots of toys, man. Turns out we are all softy. I saw this in the Domestic Shop House at Dobby Court. I think I feel like a kid once again. Oh, look at that, man. It's insane, man. Very colorful. Wow. The kids will love it. Colorful floor tiles. Magical fairy tale in the forest. Complete children's food for under $6.99. That's a really mini size of wardrobe, man. And this section with the chairs. Oh man, so many chairs. Small to big to small. Computer desk tables. I saw even gaming chairs. $2.99. Ten-year warranty, guarantee some more. Oh ho ho. Ikea for business. The office space, right? Wow, not bad. Game on party. Gaming chair. I'm gonna sit there. Wow. Okay not as soft as I thought. Some consoles and a book. And what's up there? Wow. There's a computer here. I mean that keyboard and the monitor. Not exactly. It's a gaming station. Whoa. Study hard and pray harder. Oh, the black curtain blinds. Single bed. The thing about Ikea is it's quite affordable. But in terms of like durability, I think it's just so. Cannot expect too much for the price you're paying. But I think they have free delivery, you know. Wow, this one looks like a bedroom of a girl, right? Maybe. Wow, nice sofa. This is for teenagers. Organized teens home. The drawer unit with 9 drawers. And that little mirror over there. Wow. Over here we have some more drawers. Chest of drawers, they call it. Chest of 3 drawers, a box. And I believe there's a basement section. We're going there in a short while. This wardrobe has no doors. It's an open wardrobe concept. But it's nice, it saves time, you know. You don't need to close and open every single day. And the other one is the close and open concept. What they have here? Some kind of watch and the belts. This is very tall, you know. I think 3 meters. So whenever you buy the new home, right, you need to measure quite accurately. Otherwise, that wardrobe will not fit exactly to the measurements of your home. Then you may find it a bit awkward. But since you bought already, you have to use, right? I know some friends with this problem. Seriously, white color. Black is nice. 1990. Oh, this one is the normal one. Hey, the wardrobe has 10-year warranty. That's nice. They call it guarantee. I'm a bit lost now. Oh, follow the arrow, man. Hey, there's a hidden corner here. What's up about? Okay. Turn left, the way I came from. Oi, look at this, man. Complete workspace for under 999. I've been to like the Gems outlet. It looks a bit different in layout. The one in Tampines, I've forgotten how it looks like. Long time, never go. And the one here, Ikea at Alexandra. It's also been a long time, few years. But it's nice to come here today, even though it was raining in the afternoon. I was soaked, man. As in, my socks had the water. Luckily, I prepared an extra pair of socks. The feeling of the socks drenched in the rain is no good. It actually sucks, man. It feels like it's very down at the moment. So how do we get to the basement before that? Swedish restaurant, the one I explored just now. Should be this way. There's some more stuff. Wow, so many cabinets. The mums will love it, man. Open me, they actually encourage you to open. Wow. You can put so many stuff, cookies and your champagnes, sake. This is nice, 1059. Okay, the price not so nice, not so nice. Lots of stuff, it looks nice, right? But the price not so nice. Wow. This is the washing sink basin area after your dishes or when you want to cook some stuff. Look at the fridge. It's quite curious. Open me. This is a very basic fridge, man. But I think for a family of 4 persons it's okay. And it actually saves space. It's quite slim. Not the fat type. Hey, I got a shock, man. What is this? On the left side. ergonomic pillow for side and back sleeper. It's nice, but the thing is, if you leave it in your home for like a few months, right? Let's say you live overseas or you travel for some time, right? When you come back, the pillow get moldy. I bought before. Sorry to say that from Ikea, twice, 2 times, and the pillow turned moldy. Even though it has a pillow cover. Oi, butterfly specimens. Another children's playroom and a bedroom. This is like basically somebody's home and the owner is not around. Wow, that master bedroom is nice. This one is more cozy than a hotel. Lot of shelves here. I like this. You can put some stuff here, like some little plants. And there's even a bookshelf there. Oh, here, the wall shelf. That's nice. Also nice, right? Yeah. So this is level 2. Oi, there's a locker here. Is it free or something? Yeah, it's free. No money required. Oh, basement 1 is car park, so go level 1. But never mind, take the escalator. Have more things to see. I thought it's the basement 1. And what is this one? Some kind of playground for the kids. Making our way now to level 1. Okay, that's a tree, right? This is level 1. Let's check out the hot dog. Maybe the hot dog is here and the ice cream. You know, $1 hot dog. I was finding upstairs and couldn't find, and the ice cream I believe 50 cents. Yeah, 50 cents, man. And the kids love it. The customer is like waiting to buy another one. Hey, but the strawberry one is $1.50. The vanilla one is 50 cents. Swedish bistro. The hot dog is over there in front. You can get a swimming bag for 90 cents only. Lifetime guaranteed. I see more chairs here. Oh, sofas and a bed. They sell some potted plant. The name quite special. Mother-in-law tongue. Outdoor furniture. Wow. Plant pot. Plant lovers and you enjoy it, man. Outdoor chair. You know, I came here to try to buy a pair of scissors. The staff told me in the basement. Difficulty to find it now. Wall clock. Oh, they have some frames here. Lots of photo frames. Amazing. Oh, this is a lighting session. Oh man, this one look like hotel now. 5-star hotel. Yeah, the light so tall. Floor lamp is in $9.90. 1.5 meters, $16.90. So it's relatively cheap enough for like new owners, right? New flat owners, they want to decorate their homes with some basic stuff, or you want to rent your room out to a foreigner or local, right? Let's say you're the owner of a HDB 3-room flat or 4-room flat. 5-room flat can rent out to earn rental income. So you can decorate that room you want to rent with some basic stuff. And yeah, it's worth investing. Maybe For $1,000, then the room will look nice. So this area home organization, we have basket. Wow, this is amazing. We have basket. A quarter basket. Hey, do you guys see the scissors? I just find it right now. Oh man. So what's this, man? Box. They're selling box. So big. Look at the rugs here. You know, Haji Lane in Bugis, they also sell lots of stuff. They have more like the what do you call it? Carpets. Doormat. Very colorful. Yeah, lots of pillows here. Ergonomic pillow. Bolsters. $3.90. Cool duvet bed textiles. Wow, man. At this session, not much people. I think they just went to eat a hot dog or something. But it's okay with me now because less people means I can talk more freely. Wow. Very colorful stuff. Cushion cover. I think that's some knife, right? I saw cutlery already. So where is the scissors? Oh, never mind now. I can go home and use it because I need to cut something that I bought. The exterior is too hard, man, to cut. Wow, these are all the brass section, cooking utensils. It shouldn't be closer now. Nice. Oh man, so many knives here. I saw the scissors, man. It's right here. So many types of walks, man. This place really huge. You can walk for 1 hour. And maybe you've not seen everything yet.
No, I didn't.
But you can. This part a bit cool now. Got the brush. So hope you guys enjoyed the little walking tour of Ikea at Alexandra, Singapore. Take care everyone. I'd like to see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the video. Give a like, subscribe and share. Alright, take care. Bye bye.